I really can't stay.
I totally agree with you.
I've got to go away.
Nothing is stopping you.
This evening has been.
I wish you would take a hint.
Very nice.
Be careful leaving, don't slip on the ice.
My mother will start to
Maybe
worry.
she can come and get you.
My father will be pacing the floor.
Here, let me just show you to the door.
Really, I better scurry.
Really, I wish you'd hurry.
But maybe just a half a drink more.
No, put your coat on and I'll get the door.
The neighbors might think.
I'll call you an Uber or Lyft.
Say, what's in this drink?
It's coffee, watch out for that snowdrift.
I wish I knew how.
You should have been home by
break the
now.
spell.
Which part of leave don't you
I want to
understand?
say no, no,
Do
no.
I need to get a restraining
I'm
order?
gonna say that I tried.
Keep singing while you're waiting
I
outside.
really can't stay.
Baby, please go